So why are you drilling a hole in the center?
Because we got to cut a 6-inch diameter circle, and you can't just pierce straight through 7 inches of steel. You got to have somewhere to start for the flame to shoot down through to get it started. And then it starts in the center and comes out, cuts our perfect circle.
What we got going on here?
Oh, we're cutting these big old hunks of steel. They're trunnion wheels, 7 inches thick. Cutting them with a CNC plasma or a CNC Oxy acetylene torch.
So we're stepping out to see what we can screw up here.
Yeah.
They need milled out and on the lathe, but we wanted to cut the majority of it out first.
Save
All
some
right.
machining.
Save Brent some time on the lathe.
Boom.
What did we learn about these pilot holes?
They can't be a 1/4 inch. Not big enough.
Time to go icy.
Look at that sucker. Glowing red.
There's the plug out the middle.
Why is that thing on? What's that thing doing up there? Magic. Hey, that's my plug! Hop up and away. Deeper coming. Come in a little more. Yeah.
There it is. This first slug here was cut at, what do you say, 9:30, 10 o'clock? Yeah. 9:30, 10 o'clock we cut this first slug. It is now 2:30.